How to log in into Dayforce Payroll account. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump into this video. First of all, in your device, open up any web browser that you prefer and in the search URL type in Dayforce Payroll. Now from this interface, head over to the first link that says Dayforce HCM or www.dayforcehcm.com. Click on it. That's directly gonna take you to login page. So first of all, you have to type in your company name. You have to type in the company name which is registered in Dayforce. So you have to type in the name of your company, how it is registered in Dayforce. Under that, you have to enter the username associated with your account. And under that, you have to enter the password. Make sure you enter the correct password, or in case if you can't access your account, in case you forgot your username or password, there is a link provided here that says can't access your account. Click on it, follow some instructions, and that will help you out to recover your account. Now, if you have entered the correct company name, correct username, and incorrect password, click on login button, and with that, you'll be logged into Dayforce Payroll account. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.